And this is the complete Weasley Wizard Reese's and Nocturne Alley. Right here in Nocturne Alley, we have the window that moves. You can move it back and forth. Here's the shop. You can see the legs, the torso, and the head of the Weasley Wizard Reese's guy. The arm does move. You can see through the windows. And the lamps do move. Those are some of the stickers. On the inside, we have a bunch of the stuff that they're selling. You can kind of see the back. And there's that geode piece that I really like. Second level. Some more stuff that they're selling. Some lollipops. Final level. That vase of hearts is actually removable. You don't have to put it inside. And that is the Weasley Wizard Reese's. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.